If you're in the market for a versatile machine that combines the functionalities of a lathe and a mill, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 3 lathe mill combos available on the market today. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, a lathe mill combo can greatly expand your capabilities and save valuable space in your workshop. These machines offer the convenience of both turning and milling operations, allowing you to tackle a wide range of projects with precision and efficiency. To learn more about each featured lathe mill combo, make sure to check the links in the description box. There, you'll find detailed specifications, customer reviews, and additional resources that will help you make an informed decision. Now let's get started. Shopfox M1018 Lathe Mill Combo. The Shopfox M1018 Lathe Mill Combo is an excellent choice for hobbyists and entry-level machinists seeking a versatile machine for various projects. This combo lathe offers a range of functions, including turning, cutting threads, drilling, and milling, making it a valuable addition to any workshop. This machine offers ample space for small to medium-sized projects with a 16 to 1 by 2 inch swing over the bed and 11 and 1 by 2 inch swing over the saddle. It includes useful add-ons like a 4-way turret tool post, 9 and 1 by 2 inch faceplate, 4-inch 3-jaw chuck, and built-in rotating vise, enhancing its versatility and convenience. It is powered by a 3 by 4 horsepower motor on a 110-volt single-phase power supply and provides precise manual movement for accurate tool positioning. It offers enhanced control and flexibility with the manual cross-slide hand wheel and adjustable compound slide. The included turret tool post allows for quick tool changes and increased efficiency, accommodating up to 4 1 by 2 inch tools. Additionally, the machine comes with essential accessories, such as a 1 by 2 inch drill chuck, 2 dead centers, change gears, hex, and combo wrenches, among others. With a sturdy construction and a weight of 478 pounds, this lathe mill combo provides stability and durability during operation. GRIZZLY Industrial G9729 Lathe Mill Combo. The GRIZZLY Industrial G9729 Lathe Mill Combo is the perfect choice for those in need of a larger machine with impressive capabilities. The combo machine provides ample space for various machining projects with a 31 inch between centers and 16 and 1 by 2 inch swing over the bed. It boasts excellent features like a magnetic controller, forward-reverse switch, and hardened and ground bedways, ensuring durability and precision in every operation. Featuring dual motors, this machine offers enhanced power and versatility for a wide range of applications. Its 4-way turret tool post enables efficient tool changes, making it a versatile and efficient do-it-all machine. The machine is capable of cutting both inch and metric threads with ease, offering versatility for various threading tasks. It is equipped with a built-in milling table with T-slots, as well as a steady rest and follow rest, providing convenience and expanding its functionality for versatile usage. The power longitudinal feed and power cross-slide enhance ease of use and efficiency during machining operations. The machine also includes a convenient window that allows for easy verification of drill spindle speeds. HENGWEI Lathe Mill Combo. The HENGWEI Lathe Mill Combo is a compact and versatile machine that offers a range of capabilities for turning, drilling, and milling tasks. This machine is ideal for small-scale projects, with a maximum workpiece turning diameter of 125 mm and a length capacity of 180 mm. The tool holder can accommodate workpieces up to 60 mm in diameter, offering versatility for various applications. With a 9 mm spindle through-hole diameter and an MT-owned spindle cone, this machine ensures stability and precision during operations. It offers a wide range of threading options, with multiple treated metric and inch threads. The longitudinal feed level provides 2 feed rate control options, while the tailstock, featuring an MT-owned cone and 18 mm trowel, adds versatility to the machine. It offers a spindle speed range of 560 to 2500 rem for turning operations and 500 to 2500 revolutions per minute for drilling and milling tasks, providing options for different materials and cutting requirements. The drilling and milling head can rotate 360 degrees, and its vertical lifting head has a stroke of 60 mm, enabling various machining angles and depths. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the best lathe mill combos. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you're ready to take your woodworking or metalworking projects to the next level, investing in a quality lathe mill combo can be a game changer. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.